Okay, so let's do the skywalk from our hotel at Sofitel Sukhumvit. Okay, so this is the Sofitel Sukhumvit, and they created a skywalk where you can get to the BTS and the mall. And this is the start of the walk. So from the streets, take the elevator. We continue walking with Sofitel on the right side, or you can take the stairs if you don't want the BTS skywalk. Wow, ganda ng Sofitel. That's the traffic, Bangkok traffic. That's where we came from, and now you can go shopping using this walkway. Or you can take the train. Tingnan mo, ayun ang Korean Town, no? May Korean Town dyan, no? Ayun, welcome to Korean Town. Yan, may Korean Town dito sa Sukhumvit. Saya-saya, oh. May night market nga, Mama Berna, oh. Yan ang maganda sa ginawa ng Thailand. Marami silang mga walkways that you can just enjoy walking. Wow, daming stalls. Night market. Tabi lang ng Times Square ang night market. Ayan, nakalagay, oh. Marami talaga night market sa Thailand. Uy, ang daming food. Ako, dyan pala masarap kumain. Siguradong mura at masarap. Oh, wow, oh. Enjoy silang kumakain. Yan ang maganda talaga rito sa Thailand. Oh, dito naman, traffic at saka daming steakhouse. Oh, steakhouse. Ayun, mga prutas. Yun, ang Terminal 21. That's the nearest mall dito sa Sukhumvit. Yun nga lang, traffic. Masarap sakyan, no? Yung mga famous tuk-tuk. Yes, wala na kailangan ng air condition, no? At least dito, pagka kahit umulan, safe kayo, no? Na-burn, ha? Kahit umuulan. Diyan, may Robinson Mall. Bilaan talaga yung mga malls nila. Terminal 21 again. Wow, ganda sa baba, oh. Anong hotel kaya yan? Yan ang sungkainan. Argentinian Steakhouse. El Gaucho. Mahal dyan. Tama si Berna. Sheraton nga to, by Marriott. Oh, wow. Ganda pala ng Grand Sheraton. Ay, naku. Sana makapag-hotel hopping tayo dyan. Oh, katapat ng Grand Sheraton, Terminal 21. Another Marriott Hotel, Westin. Oy, tabi-tabi pala mga Marriott Hotel dito. Ganda. Dito sa Terminal 21 area. The Sheraton. Ganda mo, parang palasyo. Sarap lang talaga maglalakad, oh. Ang matagal ko nang gustong kainan, no? Siguro masarap talaga steak dyan, no? Kasi from Argentina, malambot ang steak. Problema lang talaga, traffic, oh. Pero tabi-tabi yung mga 5-star hotel, oh. So, Westin, tapos sa kabila, the Sheraton naman. Ayan, dito sa walkway, pwede ka na mag-train if you like. Ayan, pili ka lang ng ticket dyan, okay ka na. So, we're going inside that mall, Terminal 21. Ayan, Westin at the mall. Mas mabilis pa mag-train, no? Kaysa sa mag-taxi. So yun, inside. Malamig na. So now, we're inside Terminal 21. Here in Sukhumvit. Sale ng rubber shoes, oh. Dito, mura yung ano rito eh, fast foods. Ay, malaking mall din to. Madalas ako rito dati. Kasi nga mura yung fast foods. Alright. Laki rin ng mall na to, grabe. Okay, upo muna ako rito sa Starbucks habang nag-aantay kay Berna. Oh, my favorite area, the Gourmet Market. Alright. Panay pagkain na. Well, sa Thailand talaga, walang tatalo sa pagkain. Daming food. Yudo, no? Mukhang sarap. Oh, dito may roasted duck. Oh, shrimp with, mura lang. Ayan ang duck. Not bad yung food niya, oh. Less than 200. Busog ka na, masarap pa. Ito, yung favorite ko, medyo mahal. 280, signature duck. Ito, medyo mura-mura with soup. Indian food. Ipudo. Dito sa mga stalls, mas mura pa. Oh, wow. Ano to? Grilled fish fillet. Isda pala yan. Mga chichirya. This is good, oh. Octopus pala yung masarap na nakita ko. Uy, dumplings. Mukhang masarap. Salad Factory. Ito yung healthy, oh. Pomegranate. Yan ang mahirap hanapin sa Pilipinas. This is good. Pomegranate. Yan ang pinaka-healthiest drink, oh. Kung mainom mo yan, ako, di ka magkakasakit. Ito, mga paborito ko, chichirya, oh. Yes. Ito, chicharon, oh. Oh, masarap to, chicharon. Oh, tak 60 baht ang chicharon. Uy, ano yan? Sausage ba yan? Ang yummy, ah. Yan, itong mga nakastick na to, masarap din yan, eh, oh. Nga alam, magsasara na siya. Oh, medyo manghang yata yan. Ito ulit, oh. Ayan ang fruit niya. Pag biniyak mo, yan, oh. Napaka-healthy niya ang pomegranate na yan. Right, habang umikot si Berna, let's chill out here in the fountain. Okay, free taste daw, Mama Berna. O sige, bili ka. Ayan, kahit alin dyan, siguro isang ganito, tsaka isang ganon. Di ba? Tag-iisa lang. O, ayan, sarap din daw yan.
200.
Ang mahal naman na chicharon yan. 200 baht? Eh, yung isa 60 lang eh, oh, yung puros, eto puros hangin to eh. Oh.
60 lang daw yan.
Oh, sige.
Ano, yan na lang?
Ikaw, kung anong gusto mo?
Sabi ko mas mura. Yan
Oh,
na.
sige. Okay. Oh, okay. Mas mura pala chicharon ni Lapids kaysa sa chicharon ni ni Bangkok. Okay, at least kumita si si Neneng. Ito, langka at saka durian, oh. Ito pala yung masarap na durian, no? Musang, 600 baht. Pagka ganito pala kulay, mas mura. Ito, yan ang musang. Mahal na rin ang durian. Right, chill out again here at the mall of Terminal 21. So to walk back to our hotel, which is the Sofitel Sukhumvit in Bangkok, it will take us approximately 7 minutes. So it's a good way to exercise. But then we are about to exit the Terminal 21, and well, most people they take a cab, but we're gonna walk, and that's the Westin and Sheraton across each other here at the Terminal 21, one of the famous malls in Sukhumvit. But while we're walking home, we saw a street, well, it's a food market where we decided to go down. So that's the famous Tuk Tuk. Here it is. A lot of food and we're about to enter, but we're so full yet. So we'll just take a look at the food that oh, shrimps. Looks very. Oh, this is my favorite, the tilapia, which they grill, and it's being barbecued. So these are the different insects they serve only in Thailand, and these are sashimi. Lots of food. This is wow. This is very soft, very tender pork, and this is how it looks like. But most of the tables are occupied, so we keep on looking around, checking around whether we can find a table and a seat for us. So that's the atmosphere outside across the Sofitel. Yes, everything's walking distance here in Sukhumvit. Finally, we found a table and chair so we could order the tilapia. Here comes my favorite, the grilled tilapia, which is just newly cooked with pomegranate. Yeah, pomegranate is a very famous healthy drink. So we start eating the tilapia, and it's normally good when it's cooked when it's cooked on the griller, not just being heated, but it has to be newly cooked, and you can eat it with vegetables. And we're done. So we just have to throw our trash. So it says see you again, but now we're going to the Belga, the roof deck of Sofitel, to have our drink before we say good night. And this is the famous roof deck here at the Sofitel. And the reason why it's so famous, it's because of the view. When you are drinking here, the drawback only is if it's raining. So that's the inside, if you want to drink inside. But of course, we prefer to go outside to have this fantastic view where you can see almost 180 degrees of the city of Bangkok while you're drinking. Yes, there's so many famous roof deck bars in the whole of Thailand, and this is one of them. So yes, I believe it's almost raining, so we're hoping that it doesn't continue, or else we will be forced to drink inside. So at night, everything is well lighted, as you can see, and this is the reason why a lot of locals and tourists come here to unwind. And yun, mukhang linilikpit na, uulan na yata, oh. So I think we're gonna end up drinking inside, and that's Westin and the Sheraton right in front of us. So another look at this view from the Belga roof deck, and we will end our day here. So we're just ordering, and like what I said, it's raining, so we decided to just go inside and enjoy the drinks and the pretzel as our appetizer. Yes. Wow, ano pala to? Pomegranate, Berna. And ano yung isang drink na in-order mo? What? Ha? El Chapo. Wow. So, toast to the good life. And we're always having a toast. But Berna looks very tired already kasi we just came from the Terminal 21. Okay, thank you for watching.